Hi, welcome to Cooking with Mai Mai. Today, we're making something that everyone in California at least absolutely loves and adores, because we figured out a way to kind of do this ourselves from home. We're making our version of In-N-Out animal fries. Mai Mai, you can't eat them when they're frozen. See, we have a julienne, so we could be doing this with fresh potatoes, but it's a little late and I'm tired, so we're doing the frozen kind. We used shoestring. Is that what it's called? I'm so tired. Straight cut fries. There we go. Because they are the most like the ones that they use there. Okay, look, Mai Mai. You're going to sprinkle a little bit of salt into it. Okay. Now we have our oven preheated to 400. Oops. We have to move Mai Mai and her phone over a second. Whoa. There, we got it. Alright. Let's put this tray in. And this tray in. Now we're going to bake these for a few minutes. And we're going to get our onions sliced really thin real quick and ready for our frying. Alright, so I thinly sliced onion for Mai Mai because she's discovered she doesn't like cutting onions so much. We're going to add a little bit of oil into our pan. Wait, we got to let it heat up. And then we are going to fry the onions that she's eating raw. You are an odd one, child. Great, do you want to put them in? Good, drop it in. We'll drop these in. Like I said, we're going to fry these in a little bit of oil. And we're going to readjust her cajon so she can get more into this. I'm going to move this. Okay, Mai Mai, get off your cajon for a second. Okay. And readjusting. Here you go. Okay, and then you just use a spoon and you stir it around like that. Okay? And I'll hold this. You pretty much fry the onions until they're cooked. So, it'll be a couple minutes. Ooh, hear it sizzle? Nice sizzle, 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 sizzle. Can you make it do that? Sizzle, 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 sizzle. Ooh. Yeah, if you touch it, you'll burn your finger. But you're frying the onions, huh? Yeah.
It's good.
But you still got a little while to go.
I'm dropping it.
You're dropping it. Alright, so we've got the onions fried and our potatoes cooked, our french fries. So we're going to do cheese first. Remember? You do yours, I'll do mine. You gotta spread cheese all over them. We really like it cheesy, so. You got that all in there? Go ahead. And then I'm going to add some onion. Really? Sorry. I'm not trying to. Do you want grilled onion? Go ahead. There's more cheese. Well, that's how we roll. Lots of cheese. Cheese and onion, onion, cheese. It's going to be a big, gooey mess. Alright, I'm going to go get our glove of power and put this back in. Yeah, you keep the rest of the cheese. Did that go on your shirt? Okay, hold on. Woo! There's one. Woo! There's two. And we're only going to keep that in long enough, hands up, for the cheese to melt. There, eat the rest of your bowl. Okay, so we waited And it should be melted by now. Let's check this out. Oh, there is your melted cheese fries at the moment. Outside of just having the cheese, yes, and the grilled onions, Animal Fries also have a secret sauce that, oddly enough, tastes like Thousand Island. Let me see how quick this runs. So we're going to throw some of that on there. And there, our cheese fries are done. Mai Mai, if you want to help me scoop up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We need to get a spoon and you can spread it around. Stay there, Mai Mai. Oh, here, I'll let you use this. This is cool. See, watch. I'll show you what it does on mine. You can spread stuff. Yeah, that'll work. That's actually a good idea. Here you go. You spread your sauce. Yes. That's going to be yummy. So you got to move it around so it's all over. Alright, are you ready to try it? Let me try mine. Oh, I'll take that. Got you. Oh, hot. Let me try. So good. Let me try to get one for you that's smaller. Okay, there. And that's not so hot. How is it? Apparently still a little too hot. Well, it did just come out of the oven. It's still hot. It's good though, huh? Watch Mai Mai fight with a hot fry for an hour. I'm just gonna if I want to mind this. Oh, this is good. This is good. What do you think? Are they yummy? Alright, there you go. It's yummy. We're gonna take these out now and share it with the boys. So good. Oh, you're gonna share more of mine because it's not so hot? Alright. We'll see you guys later. Go ahead and say bye.
Bye.
Bye.